Oh my goodness. Robert was cutting grass and he came upon this owl in the yard, and I'm not using a zoom, I'm right up on him. What kind of owl is it, Robert?
I don't know.
I'm right up on this owl. Ooh, Lord, never thought I'd see an owl so close. I can't see his face. He must be hurt or something. I don't know if he's hurt or he can't fly. Ooh, I think he's getting mad. Look how he does. Oh, this is so weird. Rubbing his face in the dirt, that is weird. Ooh. Man, I am close. Look what he's doing. Is he licking, Robbie, is he licking his paw? Or is he doing his face in the dirt? I think maybe he's hurt. That's why he's doing that on his foot. Ooh, Lord. Holy smokes. I can't tell if he's licking his paw or he's licking the dirt. Man, this is something else. Okay, Robert says I have to leave him alone. Now I'm really close. It's his claw.
His claw's not there.
Yes, it is. Look, it's
He's laying on it. I think that's a baby.
Oh, you sure there's nothing wrong with his claw?
I don't think so.
I think that's what he was rubbing. Oh, Lord. But look, see, he doesn't move it. You sure there's nothing wrong with his little foot?
I don't think there's anything wrong with his foot. He's scratching his nose.
I don't know.
I don't see anything.
You don't see anything wrong with it? Okay.
I think he's a baby, to tell you the truth. He tried to fly.
And he can't fly. Oh, Lord, the mama's probably around. She's going to come get us. Okay, bye, little baby owl.